Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel and I'm a YouTuber who is Zambian. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Zambian Tonga traditional drink called chibwantu. So you need to have fire, a source of fire. After that, you need to get a pot. You put water in the pot and put it on the fire. Then you have to prepare your masembe, what we call masembe. That in the dish. You wash it very well, remove any dirty. Yep. So I used that cup. I think I used 3 cups. I think. I'm not sure though. I've forgotten. Yeah, so I'm getting that dish there to cover that. Oh, like I misplaced the clip. This was supposed to come first and the other one second, so I put those sticks, the mungoyo. I forgot the name. Yeah, so I put those in water, clean water, and then you cover it with the dish I was covering them with. Then in that bucket, that's where I'm going to put the chibwantu when it's ready. So you leave a little bit of water, a little bit, in a clean bucket. Then you get your, oh, I'm covering again. Oh, that was just plain water. Yeah, so you put your masembe in the water. You can also add more water if you feel like. Yeah, this voiceover is a total mess. This is what happens when it's been long since you've been on this app. But anyways, we continue. So you continue stirring. It shouldn't stick to the pot because it's going to burn. So after a few seconds, you stir until it starts boiling. That's when you'll be taking at least long to stir. Yeah, I think it's starting to boil there. Yeah, there it has started. At least you can take long breaks before stirring, but it shouldn't burn. And also you can cover it. Then when it's ready, first of all, before pouring it in there, I missed a clip. You get milli meal, you put it in a dish with cold water, just even 1 cup, and then you put it. It should also boil, and then you put it in the bucket. So you get the masembe when it's ready. After cooking, you put it in that bucket where you left a little bit of water. Then you get yourself, because this munkoyo, sometimes it has those things that come out and you don't want them to go in your chibwantu. So in there you pour that water in the chibwantu, and then you get maybe sticks that are a little bit okay, that are not fussy. You put them in the chibwantu. You can remove them, the sticks, after a day or even that very day after a few hours. And our chibwantu is ready to drink. It's so easy to make, guys. And after putting it in there, you can add water. So the way my grandmother does it, she leaves a little bit in the pot of the masembe and puts the mungo, the sticks, in the pot while it's still hot, and then puts it in there. Then you can add water like I said, and the chibwantu is ready to drink. Some like to wait for maybe a day or 2 before drinking the chibwantu, but yeah, for some of us, we take it there and then. Thank you, guys.